Have you ever wondered how European countries transform ordinary summer nights into glowing, unforgettable celebrations during St. John's Eve and San Juan, with crackling bonfires, music drifting through the air, and warm gatherings under the open sky? Are you looking for ways to recreate that enchanting bonfire ambience in your own garden, terrace, or even a small balcony? Curious how fire, light, and natural textures come together to create one of the most magical seasonal experiences. And maybe you're wondering how simple decor touches, like lanterns, candles, and rustic elements, can turn your space into a glowing midsummer escape. Stay with us, because today we're exploring San Juan and St. John's Eve decoration ideas, inspired by European bonfire traditions, coastal festivities, and beautifully atmospheric summer night styling. What is San Juan or St. John's Eve, and why is it celebrated? St. John's Eve, also known as San Juan, is a traditional European celebration marking the summer solstice. It symbolizes light, renewal, and the power of fire. Across countries like Spain, Portugal, and Nordic regions, people gather outdoors, light bonfires, and celebrate the longest days of the year with joy, music, and community. What defines San Juan decoration style? San Juan decor is centered around warmth, glow, and natural simplicity. It blends fire-inspired tones, soft lighting, and rustic textures to create an atmosphere that feels both festive and deeply intimate. Perfect for long summer evenings. If you love festive seasonal decor ideas, like this video and share it with someone planning a summer celebration. What color palettes work best for this celebration? Think of the colors of sunset and fire: amber, burnt orange, golden yellow, deep red, and earthy browns. These tones reflect the natural glow of firelight and instantly create a cozy, inviting ambience. How do bonfires influence the decor theme? Bonfires are the heart of these celebrations. They inspire everything, from candle clusters to lantern arrangements. Even if you don't have a real fire, you can recreate the effect using layered warm lighting that mimics the flickering glow. Tell us in the comments how you would decorate for a bonfire-style celebration. How can you design an outdoor San Juan setup? Choose a space like a garden, terrace, or balcony and create a central focal point. This could be a fire pit, a lantern arrangement, or even a decorative table. Arrange seating around it to encourage connection and conversation. What seating arrangements work best for bonfire gatherings? Low, relaxed seating works beautifully. Think floor cushions, poufs, benches, or layered rugs. This creates an informal and welcoming environment that reflects the communal spirit of the celebration. For more European celebration ideas, check out our full playlist in the description below. What lighting enhances the San Juan atmosphere? Layered lighting is essential. Combine string lights, candles, lanterns, and warm LEDs to create depth and movement. The gentle flicker of light adds a magical quality that defines the entire experience. How can natural materials enhance the decor? Materials like wood, wicker, linen, and stone bring authenticity and texture. They ground the design in nature and complement the warmth of the lighting beautifully. Subscribe for more European seasonal decor and celebration ideas. How can tables be styled for a San Juan celebration? Use wooden or neutral tone tables with linen runners and simple dishware. Add candles and small natural centerpieces to create a dining setup that feels warm, inviting, and effortlessly elegant. Love these summer ideas? Find similar decor items linked in the description below. What decorative elements can elevate the space? Simple additions like lantern groupings, woven baskets, rustic trays, and minimal floral arrangements can elevate the entire setup. The key is to keep it understated so the ambience remains the focus. How can coastal themes be incorporated? In coastal regions, celebrations often take place by the sea. You can recreate this vibe with sandy tones, shells, driftwood, and light, breezy fabrics that reflect the relaxed energy of the shoreline. What textiles suit a San Juan setup. Lightweight fabrics like linen and cotton in earthy or neutral tones work best. They add softness and comfort while maintaining the natural, relaxed aesthetic. Explore more seasonal inspiration in our recommended videos listed in the description. How can small spaces capture the San Juan vibe? Even a small balcony or indoor corner can feel magical. Use candles, fairy lights, and a few carefully chosen decor elements to create warmth and intimacy without overcrowding the space. What small details make the biggest impact? Candle clusters, hanging lanterns, and subtle natural accents can completely transform your setup. These small touches create layers of light and texture that make the space feel alive. If you enjoy festive decor ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you create a San Juan celebration on a budget? You don't need a large budget to create something beautiful. DIY decor, affordable lighting, and natural materials can achieve a stunning result. Rearranging what you already have and adding a few thoughtful elements can make all the difference. Celebrations like St. John's Eve and San Juan are all about light, warmth, and togetherness. By combining glowing lighting, rustic textures, and simple outdoor arrangements, you can create a magical midsummer night atmosphere right at home. Whether in a garden, balcony, or cozy indoor space, these ideas help you capture the spirit of European bonfire traditions in a way that feels both beautiful and meaningful. If you enjoyed these San Juan ideas, like this video and share it with friends planning a summer gathering. Tell us your favourite bonfire decoration idea in the comments below. Explore our celebration playlist in the description for more inspiration. Looking for more inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more European home decor ideas every week.